Hey guys, welcome back. Every once in a while I like to do these videos of my collection of some of my favorite cars and stuff. And today I pulled, I don't know why, I ran across one of my old videos and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to pull all my X-ray micro line out. And so I pulled them all out. So what I got here are 3 NT18s and 3 NT18Ts and then one MT18, the monster truck version. So if you don't know about the X-ray line, obviously these are micro 18 scale. These 3 on road right here are brand new. This one here is one of the first 10 that were in US back when they first came out. I was on one of the waiting list on X-ray, and within one of the first 10 here. I got these 2 later on. Actually, I got this one like a year later, and then this one I don't remember, about 4 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And then I had another one. Honestly, I had one other one that I sold. God, I don't know why I sold it, but it was a running one. Because at a certain point, I'm like, I'm not even going to drive them anymore. So I'm going to get rid of them, the ones I drove. But I don't know why I did that. So, but yeah, I got 3 here, brand new NT18 on-roads. Man, these drive beautiful. If you don't know anything about them, I mean, obviously they're small. Look at the size of my hand. But they're nitro, guys. And this NT18, this is my first one that I got right after I got the on-road. The stadium truck was this was my second. I got this one before I got the second NT18. So I had these 3 for a long time, and this one I got later, and then I got rid of an on-road one. I might have had one more of these that I got rid of. I don't remember, maybe like 10 years ago. I really don't remember. And then, but this one's only been run less than 10 times. There's a video on YouTube, my son driving it, and it's been driven, it was maybe 10, 15 times, and it's like perfect condition. These 2 have been driven for sure. They're runners. Love them. They just drive beautiful. I love it. And the MT18, I picked up secondhand, and I've never driven this one yet. So that's my collection of my X-ray micro production, smallest nitro production vehicles by nitro standard, put out by any company. So there was other ones throughout the years. We've had all the 16 scales, all the, I don't remember, Voltrons. I don't even remember all the Team VTX. There were so many that they did 16 scale. A lot of them copied each other, but these were unique because these didn't use the standard mini type, like almost like an 8 scale buggy type setup. These were its own deal. They were shaft driven, of course, and they were rear motor powered. They weren't center diffed. None of these are. So they're between the NT18 and the MT18, they all use the same chassis, same bulkhead transfer cases. They just have different arms and, you know, shock on the trucks versus the car. And also the motors on the trucks have a tune pipe, side pipe like that, like a standard pipe you'd see on larger scale. They're all the same. Versus the NT18, it's smaller. It just kind of comes out. It's still badass, but I mean, it's small. I mean, a lot of you guys know I've posted videos before of them, but these cars drive beautiful, guys. I love these on-road cars. I just haven't had time the last few years to get them going. Actually, I gave this one to my son. My son owns this one and one of these trucks. I don't know which one I gave him, or using one of those, but I know this one's his because he got this. I gave this for him at Christmas last year. So a brand new NT18. So he was really excited. And I'm going to pull out my X-ray M18 cars, and we've got 8 of those at least too. So between the 2, we've got over 16. But most of all of our other ones, all the MT, the electric 18, they're all modded, mostly all modded. I think they're all completely modded, ball dips, aluminum parts on a lot of them. So, but that's my collection on the X-ray smallest production 18 scale nitro vehicles, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions about these, shoot me a message. But I'm pretty proud of this one. These were they were just the top of my micro fascination back when micros were starting to get busy again, like mini T's. And we've had mini T's throughout the years modded. Now we're doing the mini T's again. Now we got all the Mini T 40th anniversaries. Now we got all the buggies. We got the blacks, the blues. Now I got yellows on the way. So we love the micro stuff. I'll pull out some of my other stuff and show, but that's it. So the X-Ray, world's smallest production RC vehicles. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification. Thanks. Bye.